The matte gray. Matte? That's not matte.
No,
That's
it's
kind of just
gray.
a flat. I do love that though. It's a good color on this. The Z just looks so good. I don't care if it's slightly worse than a Supra. I think it looks better. Is that a hot take?
Well, you know, you and I might have different priorities in life.
Oh,
I'm all about how the vehicle drives.
I don't like the door handles.
That's very Z though.
Yeah,
That's
it's
true.
very, very Z.
The black roof.
Oh, the black roof looks great. This is what all the manufacturers should do instead of the electric door handles, is just have like a little cutout, and then you can still physically open it. Oof. Let's see if can I get in and out comfortably? I can. This is sized appropriately for a 6'1" man. It's as far back as that telescopes. Kind of crunchy.
Supra is an option.
I do like the layout of everything though. It's pretty ergonomic, gets you to the important stuff. I like the gauges up top as well. And it looks a lot more spacious back there than it was in the 370.
Yeah, that's true. These door panels are sure from 370.